In this video, we're going to go over how to add an outreach event. So you are going to go to the business engagement tools and you could click the add outreach event button here on the outreach events tab, or you can go to the organization information tab and you can filter by grantee and you can search for the organization that you want to add the outreach event to. So I'm going to search for rural, and I need to add an outreach event to Rural King. So now I'm on the organization information. I am going to scroll down to the outreach event section. And here is where you can document any outreach event that was completed with the organization. So you can see that I've already documented one event that was called the recruiting event. Again, for demonstration purposes, that's just what I'm calling my event. You may have a different name for yours. So after it's been added, you can always click the view button to go in and add any follow-up notes or upload documents to it after the event. So to add a new outreach event, we're going to go ahead and click Add Outreach Event. And the outreach event definitions are there at the top. So we're going to say this outreach name was Meeting with Recruits. The audience type for business engagement, the outreach type. We're going to call this an actual event meeting. But again, you can pick whatever type works best for your event. The event date, we're going to pick from the calendar picker, and we're going to say that it was held Monday the 6th. We're going to say that we had 10 attendees, so you can always type in the number or use the up and down arrows. We can add a follow-up note. So you would pick the case note type. I'm going to choose training, and it was the 6th. The subject, recruit meeting, or whatever subject yours would be. And then you can pick the comment or put in the comment for that outreach note. Um, I'm going to just put comment in here, but you would want to add details like adding a case note. You can choose your delivery method and who you're going to send it to. I'm going to go ahead and save this one just as an Illinois workNet message. We have a long line here because we're in the test environment, and then go ahead and click save. We have the saved successfully note up here. If I wanted to upload any documents from the event, I can always use the upload feature and then go ahead and click save.